Hi, this is Natalie Boone, and I'm filming my AEP 855 Module 7. And I first want to start off by talking about the Bowman and Deal video and some key points that I took away from that for the human resource frame of leadership. The framework looks at organizations as if it's a family and plays to each individual's strengths rather than looking at it as if it's just a job. Utilizes strategic planning of each individual's strengths. So rather than just assigning a job, they are playing off of people's strengths and hopefully compensating for their weaknesses. Some of the things that I really thought were interesting is they focus on skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communication between the family or team players. And I thought that brought up some really good points of for us as being a successful, whether you're an administrator or a teacher or a building supervisor. I just thought it really brought up some interesting points because if we're not working effectively with our skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communication, obviously our school district wouldn't be very successful. So my framework for my hierarchy. So I believe that the students are the priority. So in my drawing here that I made myself, I have students in the center because I feel like all of these other people assist in the student's success. Like their ultimate goal is for the student to be successful. So the administration, I look at this as if it's clockwise starting at administration. So administration then I believe would be next because they are overseers as to the success of the student's overall experience. Then their teachers are their first-hand role, people that they are dealing with every single day, as well as support staff and families, I believe, all play an intricate role in the student success, as well as alumni and community. Without community support and alumni, the student obviously would have a harder time being successful. So that is the way that I look at it. I think ultimately my biggest thing is that the students are on the highest level of success and that we all in my ideal district would be working towards the student's success.